Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add color to row of a table in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we create a table in this document. Go to the insert menu and click table option. Then choose a table or draw. Now we add color of row, select a row in this table. Then go to the design menu and click shading option. Then choose a color in this color panel. Now we can see here we added color to a row in this table. Now we apply in another row. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.